What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's only been a few days since the last one. We've only got about 6 days until the next race, so we got to get this bad girl back together. So you're gonna want to stay tuned for this one. Woo! We were able to tell that I had ran them, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys. All right. As you guys saw in the last episode, we found a ton of cracks on the Jack Spanier Racing Ram Horn manifold. I told you in the last video I was going to order a PLM manifold more than likely. Well, I did. And let me tell you, the thing showed up. Not impressed. It doesn't look any better. Actually, honestly, it looks almost worse than the Jack Spanier one. I noticed a bunch of the tubing is different sizes. They didn't even use like the same size tubing, or maybe when it was bent, they didn't. I don't know if it didn't get mandrel bent and it just got crush bent, but yeah, it does not look good at all. So luckily, good buddy of mine, Travis Green, used to when I was racing professional flat track motorcycles, he was racing, I believe, lawnmowers. They do circle track lawnmower racing too on the same dirt tracks that we would run the dirt bikes on. Well, he reached out to me and said, hey, I can fix that manifold for you. So I met up with him last week. It literally only took him 2 days and the manifold was done. So he went through and you know, fixed the cracks and then hit as many of the welds as he could. Because honestly, to hit every weld, you'd have to pretty much deconstruct this whole thing just because there's no way to get your TIG torch in there. So he welded the wastegate flange on, fixed the cracks, and then beefed up some of the other welds as well. So fingers crossed we can get this thing to last a while. I pretty much just need to get either a Speed Factory or a Sheepy manifold. I think those are going to be about the only two that are going to stand up long term to what we're going to do. So we'll save up for that one. In the meantime, we're going to run the bad girl that he fixed up. So kind of show you that. We'll get her back together. We only have 6 days till the next Madison Sports Car Club event, and that is in Madison. So I got to get this thing together, get her test drove, making sure the manifold doesn't crack again at least before that, because the following weekend we're racing at Blackhawk. We're doing a high-speed autocross and track day. So we've got to make it through these next 2 weekends at least with no problems. So fingers crossed. All right, as you can see, he got the flange welded back on. Got pretty much all the darker color welds are the ones that he went over and redid. This one he said looked pretty good. And yeah, should fix. This one actually had multiple cracks. It went around this way and the crack started going this way as well. So I'm just really hoping this can get me through for a little while here. Like I said, until I can get a different manifold, but I'm sure his welds are beefier and penetrated better than the ones on this Jack Spanier, or ones that Jack Spanier or China, whoever did. So we'll get this bad girl thrown back on there.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now,
Alrighty guys, it took about, I don't know, start to finish, I'd say about an hour and a half roughly. Went through and redid a couple things and changed some stuff up that I wanted to change up. I'd say kind of when I first put this thing together. So getting stuff cleaned up quick, and then I am going to fire it up. Make sure I don't have any exhaust leaks or any oil leaks. I just let it run for about 20 seconds or so. Gonna check it out, see if we got any leaks. So far everything looks okay. Oil feed isn't leaking. I checked underneath, the drain isn't leaking. I don't think we have any exhaust leaks yet. We'll have to run it for a little longer to tell, but yeah, looks good thus far. Gonna go for a shakedown here probably later today, but fingers crossed, that's all we need to do before the race this week. If anything weird comes up, I'll update you guys. Otherwise, I will see you next week at the Madison Sports Car Club event. But I just want to also give a special shout out. Thanks again, Travis, for helping me out here and welding that manifold up. It means a lot. Yeah, appreciate it. So if you guys could, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we will see you on the next one. Woohoo!